Hi, my name is Liz Reeves, and I'm a product manager here at LinkedIn, and today I'm going to walk you through the LinkedIn Polls application. We hope that LinkedIn Polls is a resource you can use to answer your business and market research questions by helping you tap into the network of professionals and the wisdom that they have on LinkedIn. So first I'm going to walk you through how you would create a poll on LinkedIn. So after you've had the app installed, you would come here, you would type in the question you want to ask. So maybe we want to know what industry do you think will be strongest over the next 6 months. We'll type that in. And then you get to choose up to 5 answer choices that you want to allow people to respond to. So we'll say energy, tech, professional services, and healthcare. And then you get to choose who you want to send your poll to on LinkedIn. So here you get to say if you want to send it to a target audience on LinkedIn that you're not connected to, or if you want to just send it to your network of first-degree connections. So for now, we'll just send it to our network of first-degree connections. And then you can choose if you want to include this in the polls directory. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then you just hit post poll, and that will get sent out to all of your first-degree connections as a network update on their homepage. So next we'll go to the Browse Polls page. And this is where you can go to see poll questions that you want to answer. So you can see polls that have been recently popular on LinkedIn, or you can see polls from your network. And you can also see a list of any of the polls that you've answered in the past in case you want to come back and see how responses have changed since you voted. So here you can see that you can look at recently asked polls, and you can scroll through here and see different poll questions. Here we show you who asked the question. And you can see if there's anything that you want to respond to, or you can respond to as many as you'd like. And then down here we'll show you polls from people within your first and second degree network. And then just over here, in case you want to look at polls you've answered, you would just click on the question and we would show you up-to-date results. And then the next thing we'll run through quickly is how to manage your polls. So here on the My Polls tab, you can see the polls that you've answered. So again, similar to what's on the Browse Polls page. And you can also see any of the polls that are currently active that you've created, as well as closed polls, polls that have already ended that you've set live. One of the most powerful things about LinkedIn polls is that we show you how different people are responding. So we not only show you what the high-level responses are, 20% answered A, 30% answered B, but then we also show you how different people answered each question. So we'll show you by seniority did responses vary, or by industry, or job function, or gender, or age. Are different people answering your question in different ways to kind of help you get some more insight into the responses that you're getting. So this is what a response page would look like. And here you can see, by job function, that answers are really strong for engineers and very different for people in sales. So that's LinkedIn Polls. We hope you like it. We hope it's useful, and please send us all of your feedback. Thanks.
To install an application on LinkedIn, visit the LinkedIn Apps directory. Find the application you'd like to install, then click Add Application. You can then customize your application and begin creating and collaborating on LinkedIn.